Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It has literally been a while since I've posted, literally I think like 4 months. I'm so sorry. I think my last video I was talking about starting on like January 1st and how that's not always the best thing to do. You can go check that out. And then I kind of ghosted, which is crazy because I had so many big goals for this channel for this year, still do, but to think that it's literally we're halfway through the year and I'm just now posting another video is kind of crazy. So I do apologize and I do plan on doing better. I have a lot of videos planned and I actually have concrete plans, okay, on how I'm going to reach my goals. I still want to hit 1K by the end of this year. I think we could do it, but yeah, I'm here. If you can't tell, it's a new scenery. I have moved. That's another thing that's been kind of holding me back. Not really. We moved 2 weeks ago, but yeah, I'm so excited to like do up the room. I don't know if I'll always give y'all this angle, but I don't know, I kind of like it. Let me know what you think in the comments. Anyway, without further ado, let's get into this video. Today I'm going to be giving y'all some crochet patterns for the summer. Everything I picked is stuff that I would like to wear or like that I like. So it's very like whimsical, very kind of cottagecore-y, very ethereal, you know? If you're into that stuff, feel free to keep watching. A lot of these are video tutorials. This will be for people who are like visual learners, and there are a few paid ones as well. I will put those at the very end. I have 4 different categories: tops, bottoms, accessories, and bags. Sorry, my cat's trying to get in. 1 second. Yeah, I'm just gonna go down the list and let's get started, shall we? First, we have this filet crochet angel top tutorial. I love this. This is like probably my first or second week really being introduced into filet crochet, and I think it's so beautiful. It's so like neat and like sleek. So like this is a very good like going out shirt, or like you could use filet crochet almost like grid crochet, I think, like pixel grid crochet. Don't quote me on that, but that's what I think, and I think that'll be something really fun to get into for the summer, and it's very like breathable. Next, we have this triangle granny square top. I think it's very simple, very straightforward. I think this is an eco tutorial, and she does a bunch in one for like a lot of mini tutorials in like a big video. So that's probably like 4 tutorials in itself just in that video. Hello. Alright, sorry for the technical difficulties. I thought my cat just peed on me. I don't think he did. Next, we have this beach cover-up dress. This is so pretty to me, and I've been seeing this on my Pinterest forever. I literally cannot find a pattern for it. So unfortunately, there is no pattern for this, but I just wanted to show y'all. It's so pretty. Maybe I'll try to make it and then make my own pattern for it one day. We'll see. We not gonna bite off more than we could chew, okay? Next is this crochet dragonfly sweater. This is so pretty. This could be like a cover up for like a beach day if it's a little chilly on the beach, and you just put it over your like, what do you call that? Bikini. I think this would be really, really cute. I've been doing another version of this, which I'll link that as well, which is the flower sweater. I've been obsessed with it. I think it's Nikita Nightingale's tutorial. Obsessed. I don't know if I have it on here or not. No, I do not. So yeah, definitely try these out. I'm literally obsessed. Next is this lover's knot set. This is actually a top and a bottom. It ties and then a little bottom. Love this down, okay? The set E, and I just think it's very like, I don't know, all of this is giving very like boho. Next is this fruit or cherry granny square top. I think this is very cutesy. Like it's giving like picnic, you know, have a day in the grass, eat some fruit, get a charcuterie board, all of that stuff. I think it's so cute. And you can do different fruits. So you can do blueberry, you can do apple. If you find like the granny square for it, I think that you can incorporate it into that top. Next is the fairy fade type top by Hopi Dope. This is so cute. It's so flowy. It's so whimsical. It's giving.
She was a fairy. Yeah, she was.
And I love it so much. Yeah, definitely gonna be making one of those soon. for sure. Next we have this crop lace cardigan, just something cute to wear over like your clothes, and it's very like breathable and airy. Next is this flower halter top, which is another version of like that flower stitch cardigan I was telling. Is it a cardigan or sweater? Sweater I was telling y'all about earlier, but it's a halter top, and I think it's so stinking cute. I love halter tops. For some reason, I don't make them that much. I should definitely make them more. We gonna lock in this year for sure. Next is this really pretty like shell bralette. I think this would be very cute at the beach or even like at a festival or what have you. I don't know. I love it when things have like shells on it. It just gives an extra little earthy vibe to it. Next is this really pretty summer top with the flower in the middle. Are you kidding? It's so cute. And I don't know what that stitch is called at the bottom. Let me know if you know what it is, but I've never tried that stitch before, and I'm very intrigued to see how that will work up. I think that's another one I'm gonna do real soon. Next is this oh, my eyelashes are sticking together. Next is this whimsical bell top. I think it's like a cardigan. Yeah, the bell sleeve cardigan. It is so stinking cute. It's so pretty to me, and like it's giving like I'm just a witch or like a fairy in the woods frolicking. Like I just don't have a care in the world. That's what it's giving. I love it so much. I love anything with bell sleeves. Oh yeah, forgot to say, I think that you can make this without the bell sleeve as well, and it's just more like fitted on the sleeves. That was the end of the free tutorial category for the tops. Now I'm gonna give y'all some paid ones, like paid patterns that I think are really cute, and it's just a little extra. First would be this freeform crochet top. You can make like bottoms or anything. I really like the freeform look, and there's not a specific tutorial on how to get like this top, but like there is a paid thing you can buy where it basically tells you all you need to know about freeform crochet, and I think that's really cool. But yeah, I like the eccentric like shapes and the different colors. There's so much you can do with it. Next is this Fairyland butterfly crochet vest. I'm making this soon as well. This is so cute. I don't even know how I will wear it, but I think it's so cute. I think maybe like with a belt it would be really cute as well. But yes, definitely try this pattern out. Unfortunately, you gotta pay for it, but that's okay. Honestly, it's worth every penny, and people deserve to be paid for their work. That's just me. Next is this Coliseum crop top. I think this is just a very like cute little simple statement piece, even if you like, not statement, but like basic like piece that you can kind of wear and layer or whatever, what have you. You can make this solid, you could add extra colors, you could do it up with different textures. I just think it's a very good base shirt. Like it's a good shirt. I like it. Then that wraps that up for the tops. Now let's move on to the bottoms. I only have 2 bottoms on here, and they're both free. One is a crochet maxi skirt. I love maxi skirts, crochet maxi skirts, okay? Like with the, give me all the colors, give me all the different textures. I want it all. I love when they're just really textured and extra. So yeah, this is a free tutorial. Go check that out, and you can pretty much do what you want with it. Okay, update, I lied. There was not 2 patterns. I mistakenly put a top pattern in the bottom category, and it wasn't supposed to be there, so I am so sorry for that. Moving on. All right, next we have accessories, and our first on the list is this flower scrunchie. It's so cute, and it's like 3D, so kind of like amigurumi. I don't know, I haven't looked at the tutorial, but I think this is so cute. I can't wear a scrunchie yet, but best believe when this hair gets a little longer, I am making that, absolutely. Or even if I like wear a wig or something, I still can make it. All right, next is this hip scarf, which you can use this as anything. You can like It's just an accessory, but a lot of people tie it around their waist. And then I love the little beads at the end. You can add shells. You can add more like frayed pieces. You could do anything with this. And I think it's a great little accessory piece to layer onto your outfits. Next, we have this boho crochet belt. Very simple. I think it's just granny squares, but this will be cute to layer on top of outfits as well. And the color combos are endless, and you can make so many of them. Yes. Next, we have this floral triangle headscarf. We love bandanas. We love scarves around here, okay? And then we have this dragonfly bandana. Same as well. It's the same as the sweater pattern. So if you want to do a little combo and do the sweater and the headband, you could do that. No one's stopping you. This is a free country. Free will. And then lastly on this category for the free video tutorials, we have this ivy choker. Hello. I don't think I've ever seen anything like this. This will take your outfits to another level, okay? Like the layering, the cottagecore-esque, the fairy-esque, okay? Wearing this to like a Ren fair or any like festival, absolutely. I love this so much, and I will be making this very soon. Will I have the confidence to wear it in public? Hopefully. I'm working on it. This is like at the top of my list for all of this stuff. A lot of this stuff is at the top of my list, to be honest, but that's neither here nor there. Let's get into the paid patterns for accessories. All right, first up is this enchanted woodland belt. This is so cute. This is up there with the ivy choker. This at a like Ren fair would be so cute, or even just like walking around in the woods. It's very practical. You could put little rocks. If you find cool rocks, you could put them in your pouch, but also just as little statement piece, you know, just as a little accessory, just cute little. I love it. We have this foot sandals. Like, this is not something you just think about every day, you know? And I was like, oh, this is really cute. Like, just for walking around at home or like at the beach, or if you're just in the woods trying to plant your feet on the ground and be one with the earth. I think these are so cute. I think we should accessorize everything. Everything. I think everyone should be accessorized everywhere at all times. I'm not. Don't look. Okay, and I think that's all for the accessories. Now let's move on to the bags. The first bag is this lily flower bag. This is so cute. This is so summer, okay? This is adorable. I would wear this anywhere. I would wear this to the beach. I would bring it to work. I probably wouldn't bring it to work, but you get what I'm saying. It's very cute. Next is this apple bag, which I have made, I think 2 of them, a red one and a green one, and I just think they're so cute, so whimsical. The strap with the like granny squares is so cute. You can line it. I love this bag so much. You could give this to like a teacher or someone who likes apples. I don't know. But yeah, I think this is really cute. That's it for the free video tutorials. And then I have one paid pattern, which is this very cutesy ladybug bag. I think this is adorable. I don't know. I just love cute little random accessories. And I don't even have a description for it, to be honest. I don't even know how you would wear it. I just think it's cute. Is that too much? Is that too bad? Okay, but yeah, I think that's all the patterns that I have for y'all today. I tried my best. This is my first ever pattern video. Let me know if y'all like it. Let me know if it was helpful. Let me know if you would like another video like this, possibly like with apartment crochet decor. Wink wink. But yeah, this was so much fun. I missed you guys so much, and I will see y'all later. Peace. Have a good day.